Welcome back to Fusion Facts. Viruses, friends or foes? In the vast and intricate tapestry of life on Earth, viruses occupy a unique and often misunderstood position. These microscopic entities, ubiquitous in every corner of the planet, straddle the line between living and non-living. They have been historically cast as villains in the story of human health. Yet this view is a narrow glimpse into their true nature. This exploration seeks to unravel the complexities of viruses, examining their dual roles as both agents of destruction and catalysts of progress in the biological world. The enigmatic nature of viruses. Viruses, in their enigmatic existence, represent one of the most intriguing and perplexing subjects in the biological world. They are entities of simplicity and complexity, straddling the boundary between the animate and inanimate. A virus is essentially a snippet of genetic code, either DNA or RNA, encased within a protective coat of protein, sometimes surrounded by a lipid envelope. This minimalist structure, devoid of the cellular components typical of living organisms, raises fundamental questions about the very definition of life. Unlike bacteria or fungi, viruses lack the essential machinery for independent reproduction. They are the ultimate biological hijackers, invading host cells and commandeering their reproductive apparatus to replicate. This parasitic relationship is central to their existence and is what makes them so effective and, at times, so dangerous. Upon entering a host cell, a virus can take control, turning the cell into a virus factory, often leading to the cell's destruction. This unique mode of existence places viruses in a gray area of biology. They exhibit some characteristics of living organisms, such as having genetic material and evolving through natural selection. Yet, they lack other key life traits, such as the ability to reproduce independently and carry out metabolic processes. This has led to debates among scientists about whether viruses should be considered living entities or complex molecular machines. The diversity of viruses adds another layer to their enigma. They can be found in every ecosystem on Earth, infecting all forms of life, from plants and animals to bacteria and archaea. This ubiquity is a testament to their evolutionary success. Viruses come in a myriad of shapes and sizes, with an astonishing variety of genetic arrangements. Some have just a few genes, while others have complex genomes with hundreds of genes. The evolutionary history of viruses is equally mysterious. There are several theories about their origins, with some scientists suggesting that they predate cellular life, while others propose that they are remnants of ancient cells that have lost most of their functions. Another hypothesis posits that viruses arose multiple times in history from cellular organisms. This debate is ongoing, with each theory offering insights into the ancient and complex relationship between viruses and their hosts. In their simplicity, viruses have mastered the art of survival and adaptation. They can rapidly mutate and evolve, which makes them particularly challenging to combat. This evolutionary agility is a double-edged sword. It is the reason why viruses are so hard to treat and prevent, but it also drives the genetic diversity that is essential for life's adaptability and resilience. In summary, the nature of viruses is a puzzle that continues to challenge scientists. They are entities that defy easy categorization, existing in a liminal space that challenges our understanding of biological principles. As we continue to study viruses, we not only unravel the mysteries of these tiny yet powerful entities, but also gain deeper insights into the fundamentals of life itself. Viruses as agents of disease. Viruses, in their role as agents of disease, have been a central focus of medical research and public health for centuries. Their impact on human history is profound, shaping societies through widespread epidemics and pandemics. The nature of viruses as disease agents is intrinsically linked to their biological makeup and their interaction with hosts, leading to a diverse array of illnesses that range from mild to life-threatening. The mechanism of viral infection and disease manifestation is a complex process. When a virus enters a host, it seeks out specific cells to infect, using surface proteins to bind to receptors on the host cell. This specificity determines the virus's target and the resultant symptoms. For example, influenza viruses target respiratory cells, leading to symptoms like coughing and fever, while the HIV virus attacks the immune system, resulting in compromised immunity. Historically, viral outbreaks have been catastrophic. The Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, one of the deadliest in history, infected a third of the world's population and caused millions of deaths. More recently, the HIV/AIDS epidemic emerged as a global health crisis, fundamentally changing our approach to both viral research and sexual health. The COVID-19 pandemic, caused by the novel coronavirus SARS-CoV-2, has highlighted the relentless nature of viral evolution and its capacity to disrupt modern society. Viruses are not limited to human hosts. They can infect a wide range of organisms, causing diseases in animals and plants alike. In agriculture, viral infections can lead to significant crop losses, impacting food security. In wildlife, viruses can decimate populations, with ripple effects on ecosystems and biodiversity. The ability of viruses to mutate and evolve rapidly is a key factor in their role as disease agents. This genetic flexibility allows viruses to adapt quickly to new hosts and environments, sometimes leading to more virulent or transmissible strains. It also poses a significant challenge in vaccine development and antiviral treatments, as seen in the ongoing battle against influenza and HIV. The public health response to viral diseases involves a multifaceted approach, including surveillance, vaccination, antiviral therapies, and public health measures like sanitation and social distancing. Vaccines have been a cornerstone in controlling viral diseases, with successes like the eradication of smallpox and the near elimination of polio. However, the development of vaccines is a race against the ever-changing nature of viruses, requiring continual adaptation and innovation. In summary, viruses as agents of disease represent a significant challenge to human health and well-being. Their ability to cause widespread illness and death, coupled with their capacity for rapid evolution, makes them formidable pathogens. Understanding the mechanisms of viral infection and disease is crucial in developing effective strategies to combat them, highlighting the importance of ongoing research and public health efforts in the face of viral threats. Viruses in the ecosystem. Beyond their role in disease, viruses are integral to the balance of ecosystems. They are the most abundant biological entities on Earth, outnumbering even bacteria. In marine environments, viruses control the population of bacteria and phytoplankton, which are at the base of the food web. This viral shunting ensures the recycling of nutrients, maintaining the health of these crucial ecosystems. Similarly, in soil and other habitats, viruses influence microbial diversity and function, impacting everything from nutrient cycling to disease suppression. Viruses and evolutionary innovation. Viruses are not just ecological players, but also engines of genetic innovation. They can transfer genes between different species, a process known as horizontal gene transfer, which is a key driver of evolutionary change. In humans, for instance, endogenous retroviruses, remnants of ancient viral infections, have been repurposed to play roles in placental development and immune system modulation. In bacteria, bacteriophages can confer new abilities, such as antibiotic resistance, enhancing survival in challenging environments. Therapeutic uses of viruses. In the realm of medicine, viruses are being repurposed as tools for healing. Phage therapy, which uses bacteriophages to target and destroy antibiotic-resistant bacteria, is re-emerging as a viable treatment option. Oncolytic viruses. engineered to selectively infect and kill cancer cells, represent a novel approach to cancer therapy. Furthermore, viral vectors are crucial in gene therapy, delivering therapeutic genes to patients' cells to treat genetic disorders. Viruses in biotechnology and research. Viruses have proven invaluable in various biotechnological applications. They are instrumental in vaccine development, including the creation of life-saving vaccines like those for polio and, more recently, COVID-19. In genetic engineering, viruses are used as vectors to introduce new genes into organisms, aiding in the development of genetically modified crops and the study of gene function. Viruses also inspire advancements in nanotechnology, with researchers mimicking viral structures to create novel materials for drug delivery and diagnostics. The dark side and emerging threats. Despite their contributions, viruses pose significant threats when they cross species barriers, leading to zoonotic diseases. The destruction of natural habitats and climate change exacerbates these risks, increasing human exposure to novel viruses. The emergence of diseases like Ebola, Zika, and Nipah underscores the need for vigilant monitoring and rapid response to viral threats. Viruses embody the duality of nature, acting as both friends and foes in the biological narrative. They challenge our understanding of life, blur the lines between health and disease, and offer tools for scientific advancement. As we deepen our exploration of the virusphere, we gain a more nuanced appreciation of these enigmatic entities. In understanding viruses, we not only unlock secrets of biology and medicine, but also learn to coexist with these omnipresent components of life on Earth. Thank you for watching. Until next time.